Okay guys, as promised, part 2. What had happened is I had hit this over here and changed the numbers on the side, so it was reading a different number, I believe. So what we're going to do is try again here for you guys. So anyways, okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to spread out. Okay, we're gonna now, oh, let me get rid of that Dean, sorry again. Alright, so now we're gonna do what we were doing. We're gonna drag down, we're gonna get our lower voltage right here on about average. Then we're going to come down here, get our top voltage. Okay, so as you see right here, let's see if we can get in there. I don't know if I can. Let's see if I can do it a different way. So what we have is on our first cursor here that we drug down, we're keeping it here, and we are not getting a good crank signal, it looks like. Let's see, because if we take this cursor yeah, we're dropping. This cursor seems to be off to me. No, what it's saying. So we have a crank signal issue. Seems like just by a little bit, because if we averaged it, we're going to put it about right here. We're going to average that out, put that about there. We're still reading just barely, because what happens is a good signal, as according to many people on YouTube say, is you get your highs on your square wave is the 5 volts to about 5.5 volt, and then you have, you know, down at the bottom you should have it's dropping all the way to 0. As you can see here, my 5 is there, my 0 is way down here. My signal is not getting to 0. It's very close. Like right here it hit 0. I mean, this is questionable, you know. I mean, because if I put this cursor down, and I go down to here, I mean, it's 123 millivolts, which is just a fraction of a volt, almost damn near zero. I'm almost thinking this is because of those wires dangling and going to nowhere and still being alive. The next step is we're going to test the crank signal at the crank sensor, and we also got to do some tests on the voltage wire, make sure that it's getting 5 volts to the sensor as well. This could be, from what I've been told, when you fall short of hitting the 0 mark, you have a faulty ground or a weak ground possibly. So that would be what we're going to check into eventually here, and we will get back to you guys as we learn and do some more tests. You guys have a good day. Hope this helps somebody. If not, it's all a learning experience, guys. All right. From there, basically, I was just showing, how I set up to get this test, how I, expanded it out. There's lots of people that show these things. But I wanted to show how I set up in detail and did this particular test. And good luck on your projects, guys.